Summer is going to be here before you know it. If you don't remember, we're having big changes in the world of real estate and septic systems. We have a new point of sale ordinance that's going to take effect this summer. There's a lot of questions surrounding how this is all going to play out and what ramifications there are for homeowners and home buyers. Some of these questions just don't have answers just yet. So let's recap. The new point of sale ordinance is going to require approved inspectors to inspect septic systems as a part of a real estate sale. There will be specific requirements that these inspections need to meet to ensure that all the systems are being tested the same and to ensure that the system is in fact running properly. No more can just anybody inspect a septic tank. It has to be approved for these sales. This point of sale ordinance is going to determine if a septic system is in fact failing or not and will require this replacement prior to the close of escrow if necessary. So at this point, there are a lot of questions in the air. As a part of this ordinance, they're going to be reviewing some historical documents reflecting the septic system. As many of you probably are aware, there are upgrades and changes that happen along the way, or some properties may not have the paperwork to reflect that. So a big question is, how does this tie into everything? We just don't have that answer yet. Another homeowner that I was speaking with had mentioned, sure, they're saying all of this, but do they even have the manpower to be able to enforce and implement it? Look, great point. However, this change is coming. So it's best to get your house in order and be prepared for this summer if you're looking to sell or buy. Now, as you know, replacement of septic systems is extremely expensive. That's replacement costs, especially if you need an enhanced system. For homeowners and home buyers, the real question becomes, where are these funds going to come from? Many people don't have, 80 to 100 grand to just drop on a new system. While this change does have a lot of remaining questions, things to figure out, that doesn't change the fact we faced something similar here before in Santa Cruz County when we implemented the sewer lateral inspections as a point of sale requirement as well. And there was a big to-do back then. We figured it out. It's, par for the course now. And quite frankly, we need working septic systems. This doesn't necessarily have to be a bad thing. It's going to be costly, and there's going to be a give and take, and there's going to be a learning curve, but it'll be figured out. There's another meeting regarding how this is all going to play out in the next few months. And once I have another update for you and hopefully some more answers, I will share. Until then, if you're considering buying or selling this summer or after, give us a call. Let's talk about your options and what that may look like.